Hi there, John here from Edge Mortgages, edgemortgages.co.nz, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about borrowing for an apartment. There's a lot of arguments both for and against owning apartments, and historically the banks have been a little bit reticent about lending against apartments. They've got some rules for apartment lending which is different from lending for people who are buying an owner-occupied standalone property, but I thought I'd give you a rundown of the things that they do look for and how high you can go against an apartment these days. First of all, where is the apartment? Inner city apartments, for the most part, are the least preferred option for lenders. They prefer the city outskirts. They don't like the high density, so the more apartments within a block, the less attractive to a bank it is. Also, in the case of apartments, bigger is actually better. So anything ideally over the 50 square metre area size internal. They don't take balconies into consideration in that equation. Anything over that size is better. And also, that also ties in with how many bedrooms are in the apartment. So a 2-bedroom 50 square metre apartment is a lot more attractive to a lender than, say, a 3-bedroom 60 square metre apartment, simply because they would see that it's easier for someone to live within a greater space. Has it been purpose-built or has it been refurbished? Purpose-built apartments are again more attractive to the lenders. Is it freehold or leasehold? Again, there are potential issues with the leasehold property, in that the ground rent can rise over time, so the banks much prefer the freehold option. And there are a number of other issues around lending against apartments, which we can talk about specific to your own situation, specific to the apartment block. But the maximum that you can expect to get against an apartment these days, if it ticks all the right criteria, is 80%. Any more than that is beyond the realms of possibility right now. But if you'd like to speak about your own personal situation, more than happy to help. If you could email me on Jon, Jon, @edgemortgages.co.nz.